Welcome back. Continuing the news. To a primetime news follow-up now, the man taken into custody for the murder of 14-year-old Prince Johnson has been released. As Kirk Wright reports, it's a case of mistaken identity.
For safety reasons, we decided not to show the face of the victim or that of his mother. But the woman says the irresponsible actions by persons to post her son's image all over social media could cause grave harm to members of her family. She says the name given by the police as the suspect in connection with the rape and killing of the 14-year-old girl Price Johnson in Palm Grove last week is different from that of her son.
Because it's his picture, but it's not his name.
She says the situation has triggered fear among her entire family, many thinking that any one of them could now become a target. She says she was shocked when someone informed her on Saturday that her son's picture was plastered all over the internet as the man who had raped and killed the 14-year-old girl. The woman says after seeing her son's picture online, she took him to the Denham Town police station yesterday, where he was questioned and released the same day.
Denham Town police take some information and they take me to Hunts Bay police station.
And what happened there?
They bring him in, investigated him, talk to him, and they let him out. We sit outside, wait at him, and we both come back home together.
We also spoke to her son, who says he fears for his life.
I am the person in the photo that has been making rounds on social media who persons are claiming to have committed a crime. I have turned in myself to the authorities. They have taken my statement and I was released. I was not brought in by any police officers. I wasn't brought in by anybody, and I'm not in custody.
The man says he's afraid to venture outside and that his work has also been affected. His mother says the police promised to send a statement to clear his name.
To the Hunts Bay police station, the CIB department, I'm appealing, I'm begging, please, to release something that my son, I've bring my son there to clear his name, and he is released and home. And he's not a person of interest. I'm just asking, I just need him picture to just come down because it is affecting the family real bad. It's affecting everyone.
And his job.
It's affecting his job. He can't go to work.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.